The RTL-SDR Blog V4 Kit is a versatile software-defined radio receiver that features advanced components like the RTL2832U ADC chip and R828D tuner, making it a reliable choice for radio enthusiasts. Equipped with a 1 part per million temperature compensated oscillator and built-in HF upconverter, this kit offers enhanced stability and performance. The included aluminum case with passive cooling and improved filtering ensures durability and efficient operation even under extensive use. Users can tune into a wide frequency range from 500 kHz to 1.7 GHz with up to 3.2 MHz of bandwidth, providing extensive coverage for various applications. The multipurpose dipole antenna kit is perfect for beginners, allowing for both terrestrial and satellite reception, and is designed for easy outdoor mounting. Compatible with multiple operating systems and popular software like SDR Shep, the RTL-SDR Blog V4 Kit requires a driver update for optimal performance, with technical support readily available.